Hey everyone, it is Andrea and I have to sneeze, I think. Yep. Sorry. Okay, we are coming at you with a pop mystery reveal, and y'all, I am so excited to show you this one. I almost feel like I have to sneeze yet again. Oh, gosh. It's the lights. I have that thing where when it's like bright lights, sun or bright lights, I sneeze. Anyways, catch 'em all. Y'all, this has been on for forever. And I am just so excited to finally be putting it out for y'all. It features exclusive art as per always. You have Squirtle. I don't really know all the characters' names. Is it, for some reason I want to say Trixie, but I know it's not it. E at the end? I don't remember. Jigglypuff. Is it Ash? Pikachu? The Rocket? I don't know. I don't know too much. Charmander, Bulbasaur. Look at these colors. They're gorgeous. They're perfect. They're everything. I love these like subtle patterns. Tons and tons of deco with all of the different little Pokemon, Pokeballs, and eggs. So stinking cute. And then you have, is this Brock? Brett? Brock? One or the other? Maybe? I'm not 100% sure. Pokemon, not my thing. But Nick likes it. Bennett likes it. Hannah likes it. So then you have like a grass pattern and a bunch of Pokeballs. I think it's so fun. And then the freebie and the ultimate mini was the Pokeballs, and they're in all different fun colors. So it's perfect to use with the kit, and then also to be able to pull into future spreads, of course. So that is catch 'em all. I'll go ahead and show you the mini kit real quick, just in case you want to see it. It's no longer available. If you want to purchase it, I check out the buy sell trade group in case anyone is getting rid of one. But I think this one is going to be a hot commodity. Full boxes, deco, same glitter header page. This is the mini kit page, same bottom washi page, and same freebie. I'm obsessed. I think it's gonna be so cute, so colorful, so fun. As far as foil goes, I don't know actually. I feel like a matte silver would be kind of cool. But if you wanted to do like a more fun color, I think it'd be fun to maybe do red and then omit some of the red items. Or like a red and blue, like we have a red and blue mixed metal might be fun. A light pink would be really pretty. Or you could do silver. I feel like gold would even be cool with it. Yeah, or hollow or sparkly hollow. Hollow and sparkly hollow are actually probably my top choices. I don't know why I didn't go there first. Then as far as add-ons go, this is what was available. So you have label, you have functional doodle, or no, sorry, that was ombre. I'm losing it. And then you had like the extra boxes. All I know is Snorlax and Meowth. I don't know. I don't entirely know. I want to say his name starts with a G possibly. And then label 2 and label. So that was everything. Should have brushed up on my Pokemon knowledge prior, but you know me. You know me. And that is everything for this pop mystery. I hope y'all love it, and I'll talk to you in my next video.